Hello everyone, my name is Marina Dobrynina and I'm an English teacher from School Gymnasium number 7, which is in Zhytomyr region in Taraz City. I'm really glad to see you on my video lesson. So guys, look at this picture and tell me please, what is it? Yes, it is a house. You're absolutely right. Can you tell me how many rooms are there? Shall we count together? Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are right, there are 6 rooms. And what do you think we're going to talk about today? If here you can see the picture of the house. Today we're going to practice vocabulary about rooms and some objects in them. And also, today you're going to make up your own story about your house or flat. And the theme of the lesson is rooms and objects. Now, task number 1. Let's learn some words. Under this video, I'm going to leave you a link to the tasks, and it's going to be written task number 1. So you should follow this link, and there you can see the task itself and do it. Of course, you should pause the video after my demonstration. So please be ready to watch how to do this exercise. Now guys, we are at the British Council website, which is really useful if you want to improve your English language skills. And now let's pay attention to the task. Here you can see some words, and a little lower you can see some pictures. What is your task? We are going to learn new words in the following way. So you should look at the picture, press the sound button, listen what was said front door. So you should look at the picture and try to understand what does it mean in your language. Then listen again. Front door. And find where is front door. So then you choose it and put it here, press here. Now listen and repeat to learn new word. Try to memorize how to write it. Front door. Please finish this exercise by yourself following the link. Now, my friends, let's do task number 1, when you have already learned new words. Now, let's listen and write to the end of the words. For the feedback, please to compare and to check up how you have done this exercise. We are going to do it in the WhatsApp chat. But now please let me show you the example of the first word. Of course, you will have the link under the video and it's going to be task 2 link. Now we have followed the link and we are at the British Council website again. The task is as follows. You should listen to the word balcony and try to write what you have heard. I'm going to give you the sample. Balcony. So you can see that there are 14 items remaining. You should press the next button, listen again, and complete it. I'm waiting for your feedback. Don't forget to pause the video. Now, guys, let's do task number 3. The task is as follows. Complete the gaps in the text. You should pause the video and complete the gaps, which you can see here. How to choose the words. Of course, from task number 1, from the words which you know now, please pause the video and complete the gaps. Now, I hope that you have successfully done task number 3. And the last task here is task number 4. You need to make up your own story about your house or flat. Of course, you can change highlighted words, which are here, and you can change the words from the slash. By the way, you should send me this ready description of your house or flat to Padlet. How to do it? Of course, I'm gonna leave you the link. And if you don't want to follow the link, you can just take a photo of this QR code, which you can see on the right bottom, right part of the screen. So please do it. I'm waiting for your feedback, and then we're going to discuss what you have done successfully and maybe some of your mistakes and so on. And the most important, maybe, not maybe, but the most important part is evaluation criteria. How to understand, do you have any progress, or if you don't have any progress? It's very easy. Here is the criterion. You need to put the plus or tick near these tasks. So here you can see the tasks in the first column, task 1, task 2, task 3, and task 4. And here you can see some criterion. Of course, you need to pause the video to be acquainted with them closely. Now, for example, if you have the ticks or pluses near the first column, it's great, it's excellent, you did great job. Your progress is wonderful. If you have more ticks on the second column, your progress is rather good, but you can improve it. And if you have more ticks or pluses on the third column, it means that you have a very more work to do. So, of course, it's great that you tried, but you need to try some little more. And of course, I wish you good luck. And my dear friends, it's time to say goodbye. See you next time.